Test drive the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, stability control, backup camera, trip computer, trip odometer, tachometer, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.